Man, I can't believe it's Wednesday already.
Tom flew by real fast, got one.
For the purposes of the story, no one has names. Oh, look, a TV.
Got one. That's our TV. Huh. We live together.
Yeah, you're right, Guy 2. What do you want to watch?
Let's watch The Office on Netflix.
No, Guy 2, that's blatant advertisement. Let's instead watch Masked Singer on Fox, all new Wednesday night at 8, 7 Central. Somebody once told me the world was
No,
gonna
I want
roll
to
me.
watch The Office on Netflix before it goes away to the Peacock forever.
But the Masked Singer is brand new tonight. I can't live without knowing the identity of who the turtle is.
The Office on Netflix.
Masked Singer on Fox.
Did you just ruin our TV?
No, you ruined my TV.
We need to get it fixed.
This traffic sucks.
Yeah, why don't you try driving sometime?
Nah, that's dumb. You're dumb. We made it to the fixer store.
It's not what I was expecting. But I do wonder who exactly is in this store right now. We are bodybuilders, but we are also fixers, so we will fix your bodies and whatever else needs fixing. I'm bodybuilder 1, I'm bodybuilder 2, and we will fix your fixins.
Great! Can you fix our TV?
Let us deliberate. Should we fix as it is our whole identity? Yes. We will help you with your fixins.
You just re-ended your store.
We'll fix it. Okay, but it's a pretty good sized hole.
We will fix.
Thanks for the help, bodybuilders. We are bodybuilders and we are here to help. So if you enjoy your fixins, then we have done our job. You want to get some food?
Yeah, I'm starving.